So as you mentioned about Kubernetes, so I hope there are more container orchestrators in the real world. So what are some popular container orchestrators, and why is Kubernetes widely used among them?
Okay, as I previously said, Docker Swarm is one of them, and there is Kubernetes, then there is a Marathon, also there is Crio, and there are multiple ones as well. As I previously mentioned, Kubernetes is backed up by Google, and it's an open source project. So continuously there will be improvement, there will be security patch, security improvement. So for if we think about that, and most of the company manages a lot of containers. So depending of all those strong points, we always use the Kubernetes because that have multiple features like etc scheduler, then there are control panel, and their networking is quite high. I mean quite high class, and they have also supports the higher availability. For example, on our previous crash course, I showed that I deployed application, the ecom application, then I removed a pod. So as soon as I removed a pod, it deploys the pod automatically. So that is the healing ability of Kubernetes. So our application always stays up to date, and whenever there won't be any downtime of our application. So we won't lose any visitor or any revenue.
Okay, okay, thank you.